Did you know that 70% of B2B sales are due to targeted lead generation? Imagine a dartboard. Hitting the bullseye is like finding the right leads. Businesses focusing on qualified leads close more deals and grow faster. Consider two companies. One uses targeted lead generation, the other cold calls randomly. The first company consistently hits its sales targets, while the second struggles. This illustrates the power of focusing on the right leads. Finding your perfect customer is like dating. It's all about compatibility. You wouldn't marry the first person you meet, right? The same goes for your customers. You need shared goals and values. Segment your audience by industry, company size, and pain points. For instance, a startup and a Fortune 500 company have different needs. Identify traits of your ideal customer and refine your targeting strategy. 80% of your results come from just 20% of your leads. This is the Pareto principle in action. Identify top leads to maximize your efforts and results. Use historical data to profile your most responsive leads. Look at industries, job titles, or company sizes that converted the fastest. Build a profile around these goldmine customers. Learn tools and tactics for nurturing leads into loyal customers. Engage with your audience and build lasting relationships. This is how you turn prospects into lifelong fans. Subscribe to continue mastering lead generation techniques. By focusing on targeted leads, you'll transform your sales strategy and grow your business exponentially. Let's simplify lead generation one step at a time. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel below or email me at timlittle56@gmail.com. This scene layout is designed for situations when you need to add a video background or screen recording.